Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert an Excel file into PDF. Let's get started. We strive to empower you with straightforward video guides to enhance your skills. And today, we'll show you how to effortlessly convert your Excel data into a PDF file directly within Excel itself. And guess what? There's more than one way to get it done. Let's focus on the quickest one. To begin, locate the File menu positioned at the top of your screen. Give it a click, then select Export. From there, hit the Create PDF XPS button. Now you will be prompted to choose where you want to save your newly created PDF file. Pick a spot on your computer and change the file name if necessary. And let's explore some advanced settings for creating the PDF. It's ideal to keep the Open File After Publishing option selected. This way, Excel opens the PDF immediately for you to check. For additional optimization, you have two choices. If you need a high-quality document for printing and the size doesn't matter, opt for Standard. If you want to minimize the file size, go for minimum size. Let's go with Standard for now. Click on Options, and you can delve into more settings. Decide which pages to include, whether it's all or a specific range. Specify if the PDF should be created from a chosen selection, active sheets, or the entire workbook. If you've set a print area before but you don't want it for the PDF, just tick the box below. Let's keep going. If Document Properties is selected, the PDF retains the properties of the source Excel file. Choosing Document Structure tags for accessibility makes it user-friendly for screen reading software. Lastly, PDF-A ensures compliance with ISO standards for archiving. After selecting your preferences, hit OK, then Publish, and that's it. Your PDF file is ready. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this.